In this tutorial, we're going to be covering basic option selections in the MYPRO Touch controller. Here is a quick summary of what we'll be covering in this video. We're going to be setting a single J with BFD on the compressor motor, liquid injection with motorized valve control, and we're going to see also how to set failure and alarm set points, how to modify and change control set points. To make all the manipulations on this tutorial, you have to have a level 2 username and credentials. The default that is included in the panel is XYZ2222. To log in to your panel, basically just touch this banner right here on the top of the screen and input the user ID and the passcode. To make any selections on the panel, you have to go into the menu, then configuration. If you're familiar with our CP4 panel, this is the same or equivalent as the special boot mode. For that reason, you have to have your compressor turned off whenever you go to the configuration menu. Once you have reached the system configuration screen, touch the system details. We have 6 pages on the system details. In here you will select your compressor type. Select a single J, refrigerant, pressure display, the temperature display, and for CT size, let's say we have a 300/5 CT on the starter. Going to the next page, let's say we have an oil level switch on the third interlock, which is the digital input 15. Go to the third page. We said we're going to be using a BFD compressor and auto VI on our J series control compressor. Liquid injection with motorized control valve, and that will cover all the options that we're going to be selecting in this tutorial as an example. Once you're done, you can go up here to the gears. That will take you back to system configuration. Touch the button right here. One more time, it will take you to the home screen. Let the panel boot back up, and you should have everything already selected. Let's move on to the next section of this tutorial, which is how to set alarm and failure set points. To do that, you'll go into menu, alarm, and limits. Simply touch the area you would like to modify, input the value that is desired, and it's done. As you can tell, we have 10 pages here for alarm and failure set points. Just scroll through the pages to find the field that you want to change. Now let's go into how to modify the set points, the control set points. You'll go into menu, control, which will take you to the control summary. For the set points, touch the set points. It will take you to the detail of that page. For most applications, you will be modifying set point number 1 right here. Let's say we want our compressor to maintain 25 psi in the suction. That's how that will be changed. And also the cut in is right here, and the cut out as well. If you want any more details on how to set the scheduler, you will touch that calendar icon, which will take you into the scheduling page. Let's touch back one more time. Will take us back to the control summary, and let's go into capacity control. This is where you will tune your capacity control PID. The PID controller has you will have the options to tune the proportional band, integral time, and derivative time in your PID controller for the capacity control, as well as any other PID controller that is included in the panel. You also have the ramp control, as well as the MA unload, MA low for bit limiters, and the discharge pressure unload and discharge pressure low for bit limiters. Similarly, you will have a BFD compressor control, PID loop tuner, and one neat feature of the panel is that you can actually display your sensor values while you're in this page, so you don't have to go back to the top screen to see what is the status of your compressor. You can move the screen by touching the arrows left and right. And let us go back to the control summary. Let's touch one more time right here to go back to the home screen. And that covers all the basic options on this tutorial. Thank you for watching.